JT here with your Supershoots.com quick tip of the day. And today I want to talk about shooting in the golden hour, which is like the last hour before the sun actually sets on the horizon. Now the sun kind of travels through the atmosphere longer, what makes it a little softer than what it would be at 2 or 3 or 4 in the afternoon, or even at 10 or 11 in the morning. The light tends to be a little warmer coming through the atmosphere. The red kind of comes through, kind of gives a nice orange tint, but you have to be careful if you're shooting high JPEG, and you need to do a custom white balance to kind of control that. If you're shooting raw, no big deal. You just handle that in post and bring that level back, and you have no problem shooting raw. If the models have blue eyes or lighter colored eyes, they tend to still squint, and so an accessory to utilize, of course, will be sunglasses. Sunglasses make a nice accessory, whether it be what swimwear, or whether it be beach fashion like a summer dress or things like that. Just always be prepared with sunglasses. Have your models be prepared for that. I keep several sunglasses on hand with me wherever I travel, in my travel bag and things like that, in case if the model forgets it or whatever, you can just whip out the sunglasses to kind of fit the fashion, if you will. With that said, I'm going to get going here, but that's your quick tip of the day: shooting the golden hour. Shoot raw if you can, handle that in post with that nice warm colors coming in. You can kind of control the red and the orange color a little bit better. Shooting high JPEG, definitely do a custom white balance. But anyway, shoot the direct sun. Don't be afraid of it. Just kind of control your white balance and you'll be okay. Okay, until next time, take care.